A great morning routine sets the tone for a productive day. When you start your day right, everything else falls into place more easily. Here is a simple yet powerful morning routine to help you reach your peak productivity. First, wake up early. Waking up between 5 and 6 a.m. gives you quiet, uninterrupted time before the world gets busy. This peaceful time allows your mind to focus without distractions. After waking up, drink a glass of water. Overnight, your body becomes dehydrated, and drinking water helps kickstart your metabolism and rehydrates your cells. Next, spend 5 to 10 minutes stretching or doing light exercise. This wakes up your muscles and gets your blood flowing. It also helps improve mood and energy for the day ahead. After exercise, take a few minutes to practice mindfulness or meditation. Even 5 minutes of focused breathing or simple meditation helps reduce stress, increase concentration, and prepare your mind for a productive day. Then, have a healthy breakfast. Choose foods that provide steady energy, like protein, whole grains, and fruits. Avoid sugary or processed foods that cause energy crashes. Once you finish breakfast, plan your day. Write down your top 3 priorities. This simple habit keeps you focused and prevents you from getting overwhelmed by too many tasks. Finally, avoid screens for at least 30 minutes after waking. Instead of jumping on your phone or computer, use this time to focus on yourself and your goals. This practice reduces distraction and sets a calm, intentional tone for your day. To summarize, the ideal morning routine includes waking up early, hydrating, exercising, practicing mindfulness, eating a healthy breakfast, planning your day, and avoiding screens early on. Following this routine consistently will help you stay focused, energized, and productive all day long. Start tomorrow morning and see the difference it makes.